Okay, ignore the fact that I've moved my tiny bandsaw into my living room, that the blade guides are raised too high, and that I'm not using a ruler but copying one piece of wood off another. So, I've got a job to do, which is to cut some mounting battens for the electronics in my digital touchscreen jukebox. I designed and built this jukebox in 2005, and of course technology has changed much since then. So I'm replacing the rather bulky original computer with a more compact solid-state one and making various other modifications that I'm going to show in a later video, but now I'm focusing on positioning the computer and the amplifier. Well, never underestimate the value of guesswork in woodworking, as here I'm not bothering with squaring a line across, but just guessing the right angle. And the proof is in the eating of the pudding. Just see if it stands up on its own. Of course, this piece of modern cabinetry involves a lot of fine precision, and method is king. Thanks for watching.